In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a landscape video portrait in CapCut PC. If you need to turn a horizontal widescreen video into a vertical video for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, CapCut PC makes it very simple. There are two easy ways to do it, and both start with the same first adjustment. Begin by changing your project's aspect ratio. Look just below the main video preview window and click the ratio button. From there, choose 9:16. As soon as you do that, CapCut will switch your project from a wide horizontal frame to a vertical portrait layout. This is the standard format used for short-form mobile content, so it's the right starting point before you decide how you want your video to fit. The first method is the fill the screen option. This works best when your main subject is centered and you don't mind cropping some of the outer edges of the original widescreen video. Click your clip in the timeline so it's selected, then go to the top right panel, Open Video, and then Basic. From here, increase the scale slider. You can also do the same thing by dragging the corner handles directly in the preview window, which can feel more visual and intuitive. Keep scaling the video until it fills the entire vertical canvas. Once it fills the screen, take a moment to frame it properly. Use Position X and Position Y to move the shot and recenter your subject. This is especially important if the person or object you want to highlight is slightly off to one side in the original landscape frame. The goal here is to make the vertical version feel intentional, not just enlarged. The second method is better when you want to keep the full shot visible without cutting anything off. If scaling in causes important details to disappear, stay in the top right panel and scroll down to the canvas section. Change the canvas setting to blur, then choose the blur style you like best. CapCut will automatically create a soft, blurred version of your original clip to fill the extra space in the vertical frame. This gives you a portrait video while preserving the full widescreen image in the center. It's a great option for scenes with text, multiple people, or important action happening near the edges. That's it. Change the ratio to 9:16, then either scale up to fill the screen or use the blur canvas option to keep the full frame. Once you choose the method that looks best for your footage, your landscape video is ready to work perfectly in portrait format. You're all set.